right, friends, it's time for fluency. Remember, fluency is doing something easily and accurately. So some skills that are important for fluency related to division are having your students be able to divide things into halves, thirds, and fourths, and then also being able to divide rectangles into same size squares. What are some activities that you might want to use to help students with this fluency? Let's check it out. Well, one of the things that students might want to do is build or draw and then partition. So you could call out a shape for students to build with manipulatives or draw on paper or whiteboards, and then challenge students to partition that shape into thirds or fourths or halves, and then ask students to share how they partitioned, and then repeat with different shapes. That sounds like a nice activity to build some fluency there. You might also use some technology. Here is the digital geoboard that I was talking about earlier. So students can create a rectangle and then divide that into same size squares. So maybe I might say, well, how many squares does a 2x3 rectangle make? And then I could think about, well, a 2x3 rectangle, that makes 6 squares. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and so on. So I want you to think a little bit about fluency activities that might be important for your students. We're not quite to fact fluency yet, all right? That's coming in 3rd and 4th grade. Here we're just laying the groundwork for having some fluency with what it means to divide. So what are some fluency activities that you use to help your students with this division knowledge?